How was that? Wasn't that dope? So yes, I need your comment on the stop motion video which you saw just now. Do comment below on how you feel, because I had made that with a lot of effort. So a small comment or review on that stop motion video will be a pat on my back. So yes, thanks for the comment anyway. And what's today's video on? Yes, it's what's in my camera bag 2020. So this is one kind of video that anyone would not feel bored to watch, right? So yes, I am also one among them, and I wanted to do what I have in my camera bag. So yes, to be clear, as a disclaimer, I would love to say that this video is actually what I have in my camera bag, and I don't recommend, or like, it's not a sponsored video. I do not recommend you to buy only this stuff which I'm going to show now. It's just what I'm using. So without any delay, let's get into the video. To start with, I will first show you my camera bag. So yes, this is my camera bag. It's a company called as Furjadan something. So I didn't buy any flagship bags. This is the first backpack camera bag that I have bought. Before this, I was using my Canon side bag. So this is the bag I have been using for around 4 years. But then when I started buying my other lens and other filmmaking stuff that would help me, I could not fix everything within this bag, so I bought this bag. So if I go for any short photo walks, I will go with this bag because it's very convenient for me to like interchange the lenses very fast. And if I'm going out of station, I take this bag with me. So yes, now let's see what's in my camera bag 2020. So for that, first let's open the front zip of the bag. So what I have here is the main thing of our YouTube channel, or all our videos. The main thing of all our videos is this one. So this is the diary or a notebook where I prepare my scripts for our videos, our tutorials, and also all the videos I take or post in our channel are scripted here. I make short notes for every video that I make. Even for today's video, I have written some short points that I have to tell you without forgetting. So this really helps me a lot. And this is black in color, and I just love black. Hey, how many of you do love black color? Black is dope, right? So if you love black, do come. Okay, don't want any comment. Just hit that like button and let me know that you like the black color. So yes, this is the first main thing that I have in my camera bag. So let's unbox it further. Okay. So this is my primary camera, or the only camera, my Sony my Canon EOS R. Sorry, not those. It's my, oh sorry, actually you are seeing me through that camera, and that is my primary camera. I don't have any big flagship cameras for now. I have been using my Canon 700D for around 4 years for now. So yes, I have to buy one, and hopefully will buy one by this year. So yes, this is my Canon 700D with which I am shooting this video now. And yes, maybe I will show you the camera in some B-rolls. I hope it's getting played now. Okay, so yes, the Canon 700D is my camera with which I click all my photographs in my Instagram ID at Girish Cario, and also all my YouTube videos and those dope cinematic videos are shot only with this Canon 700D camera. So this Canon 700D with which I am shooting now is an 18 megapixel CMOS crop sensor camera. So yes, that's an APS-C sensor which uses a 14-bit Digic 5 processor, and yes, already said that it's an 80 megapixel camera and it has some 9 autofocus points. So this is a basic entry level camera that I have bought 4 years back. I'm yet to upgrade my gear. So by the next what's in my camera bag video, I hope this gear is upgraded. Yes, that's about my camera. So now let's get into the lenses. So I have two kit lenses which I have bought along with my camera. So one is the 18-55mm lens which is shooting the video now, and the other one is the 55-250mm lens that I got it with the camera. This is the lens I have used the most of all my three lenses. So I love to take portraits of people, that is mostly candid portraits. So for that I feel this zoom lens helped me a lot to capture moments on time perfectly. So yes, it's a Canon 55-250mm macro lens with inbuilt image stabilization. So this is the second lens I'm using. The first lens is the 18-55mm lens. This 18-55mm lens is the one I use for landscape photography because I get that wide feel in my 18mm. I don't have any wide angle lenses for that. So yes, I use this one for the same. And yes, the third lens I have is my Canon 50mm prime lens. This is the lens I would recommend anyone to buy if you're going to search which lens to buy first. I have made a special video dedicated for this Canon 50mm lens. So if you have not watched that video, do check it out here. I hope you got a pop-up. Yeah, go check that video. You have all the pros and cons of this Canon 50mm prime lens. So yes, this is a dope lens which I often use to click portraits for my friends, and if I am doing any model photography, I go ahead with this prime lens. So yes, these are the lenses and camera setup that I take everywhere I go. So going deep into my camera bag, what next shall I show you? Okay, so yes, this is my primary mic, or the only mic I have, that is Ajuba collar mic which I am using now. So yes, it's around 2 meters long. So the wire is very length in such a way that I can go far behind and sit, and the audio quality is good, which is the one you are hearing now. So this mic helps me to make videos for my YouTube. Other than that, for vlogs I don't have any special mic. I'm planning to buy the Rode Video Micro Pro. So yes, I will be buying that soon to have a better quality in my vlogs. So that's the camera and mics that I carry wherever I go. And just getting deeper, okay, this is a power bank. A power supply is what you actually want when you are traveling. So I have my Ambrain 20 mAh power bank. So I don't know its cost, maybe I'll give the links below. If you are planning to buy one from Ambrain, you can go for this. So I have been using this for around 2 years and it's perfectly working fine. Maybe you could check out the link below to buy this one. So this is the lens hood I am using for my lenses. This is some local brand. I have not spent much on lens hoods because I rarely use them. Only when it's needed I use them. I am not one kind of guy who always puts this lens hood on the lenses and making it look big and all. So I use only when it's required. So this is one among the items which I carry in my camera bag. So the next thing that I have in my camera bag is my JBL C300 headset. It's around 700 rupees in Amazon, but it has good noise cancellation. It's a wired headset that I use so when I'm in travel, and yes, it's really good. Maybe you could try one if you want a budget-free headset. What next? A selfie stick. MI selfie stick. It's not actually a selfie stick, it's also a selfie stick tripod. It's not too long, but I love it because this one really helps me if I want to take any time lapses in my mobile or even in my GoPros. So this is the one that I always have in my camera bag because this is a Bluetooth tripod, so I can just connect my remote that is available with the stand. So if I am taking any photographs, this really helps me a lot. A good tripod selfie stick from MI. So yes, it's not actually sponsored. This is one I love to carry in my camera bag. So the next thing that I have in my camera bag is my UV filter. It's a 58mm UV filter that I always have in my camera bag. So its first use is to protect my lenses. So we as photographers, we travel a lot. We have to like lie down at places, roll over on sand, and with this camera it will be difficult to clean the lenses if it is filled with mud, dust, etc. So when I put this UV filter on my lenses, it's very easy to clean the filter than to clean the lenses. So it acts as a great protection for my lenses. So I will never forget these UV filters when I am going for any photo shoots or travel. So yes, it also mainly acts to protect the UV light to enter the camera. So this is one main thing that I have in my camera bag. So what next? So yes, this is the latest thing that I have upgraded in my camera bag. It's actually a GoPro Hero 7 Silver. I was able to afford only for that. So this is the GoPro I have bought. So yes, this is my GoPro Hero 7 Silver, which I am using for around 3 to 4 months. So it's really very helpful for me to make vlogs. So this is an Amazon Basics GoPro bag. It's really very good and it has good compartments in it where if you want to keep your cables, you can go ahead and keep it here. I usually keep my camera chargers in this compartment. We also have the mounts for helmet and other stuffs I have got along with my GoPro. I love this bag, man. It's a 12 megapixel GoPro and with 33 feet water resistant GoPro which I am using. So some of my recent vlogs are made with this GoPro. Maybe we will upgrade in future. So this is one main thing that I always have in my camera bag. Oh, I forgot this. My Gorilla Pod. So this is also not a Joby Gorilla Pod. If you want, you can buy Joby Gorilla Pod. I will give the links below. So this is a local brand, but it really helps me. So I'll also give the link for this local brand. If you're going to buy budget Gorilla Pods, you can check the links below. See, nothing happens to this Gorilla Pod even if it's a local brand. I have been using this for around 1 year. It's perfectly fine. It really helps me when I'm vlogging, and yes, this is one thing that I would suggest if you are vlogging. And yes, this is always in my camera bag. And you'd have seen in my stop motion videos that I have my tripod on the other side and the Gorilla Pod on one side. So here the tripod, the tripod is actually holding the camera. So this is the tripod which I have. It's a Benro tripod. So yes, I just love it. It's with me for around 3 years and it's perfectly fine. So if you want to buy a basic level tripod, I would suggest you with this. It costs around 2000, I guess. So I often use this tripod for my long exposure photography, and if I'm going to do any light painting, of course I'm going to use this tripod. Oh, have you seen my light painting video, like how to do light painting with your mobile? I will give a link for that video. Go check out if you have not checked. So yes, that's about my tripod. So what else I have in my camera bag? So this is a Yantra Light tripod for my GoPro. So yes, even this helps me a lot. I got this along with my GoPro, and this is the one I often have in my camera bag. So if I'm shooting any vlogs or for shooting anything with my GoPros for underwater, I use this tripod stick for my GoPro. To buy the GoPro tripod from the official GoPro website, I went with this. So its build quality is perfectly fine. So it actually helps me a lot during my vlogging days where I can just have it in my hand and just walk around. So yes, this is one of the main things that I have in my camera bag that helps me to have a good hold of my GoPro without breaking it. So talking about, I also have my GoPro chest mount. So this is the one I got from the official GoPro website. So this is the GoPro brand. So I often carry this along with me when I cannot have everything in my hand, like the camera on one hand, the GoPro on the other hand. That's quite difficult, right? In those times I just mount this on my chest and fix my GoPro here, and yes, I just click on the button and record the videos. So it's really helpful. So if you are going to make any investment for your GoPros, go ahead with this chest mount. It's really very useful. Okay, so what next? This is a small pouch where I store all my SD cards. So I have these 3 memory cards and a memory card for my GoPro as well. So I pack them all in this small pouch so that I never lose them. So this is a small thing that I would recommend you to buy, because so when you are in your travel, you record videos with your mobile phones, you don't have any light during the night times. At that time, this one is going to help you. So this is a TikTok light which I bought for around 250 rupees from Amazon. It has a good control of light. We can just fix it to our mobile in such a way that our camera is still visible, and it acts as a better light for videos. So if you are taking photos in night where you don't have any lights, this really helps me. So when I'm going for any trekking trips, and if I have to vlog at nights where you don't have any light inside your tents, this TikTok light is gonna help me a lot. This is one thing which I always have in my camera bag wherever I go. So what next? Let's see. So yes, what is in this black box? This is actually a serial light that I always have in my camera bag. So wherever I go, I take this. You can just plug into my power banks. It's a 10-meter long wire with yellow lights. So this light is a one that I always have in my bag. So if I'm doing any shoots, I always have this in my bag. So I can just click it to my power bank and I can get this lighting. And if I'm doing any videos, I can just have it as a backdrop in my videos. See? So this is one thing that I always have in my camera bag. So yes, if you're going to buy that, I will just give the links below. You can just check them below and buy this if you want. So what next? So yes, this is the rocket blower that I always have in my camera bag. So yes, when I'm traveling, there is a lot of dust that get accumulated on my camera. So to clean all them, I always have my rocket blower in my camera bag to clean all the dust. And I also have my microfiber cloths along with this. So whenever I have to clean my camera, these two are really helpful. So yes, if you are a photographer, this should be in your camera bag. And what else? The camera bag is getting empty. So yes, lens caps and camera body caps. So never forget them. So you may have to interchange lenses often. So this helps a lot. So this is a tripod base plate. So yes, I have 2 tripod base plates. Other than that, I also have 2 attachments for your mobile and GoPros. So this you can just fix to your tripod to attach your mobiles or this. So these are the 2 attachment plates that helps me to mount my mobile instead of a camera. What else? I hope my camera bag is empty now. Yes, it's empty. Oh, I forgot. So I have 2 compartments here in this bag where I can keep my laptops. Generally when I am traveling, I don't take my laptops because I mostly edit everything in my PC that's on my back. So I'm more comfortable with my PC. so I don't take my laptop along with me. These are some of the wires I always have in my camera bag for charging and for data transfer. And apart from that, yeah, these colored sheets are the one I always have in my camera bag, because when I'm using lights, these colored sheets are really gonna help me to give colored tints on my videos. So yes, this yellow tint I have is with this yellow color sheet that I have kept on the light here. So now you could get a white feel on my face. So to reduce the white, I am keeping this yellow color sheet over my light, so that you have a yellow tint than a white tint. So this is the difference these sheets really make. And yes, this is one among the things that I always have in my camera bag. So yes, to carry my tripod, I have my attachments which help me to fix my tripod. I usually insert two of the legs of my tripod to this pocket and give a tight fix with this clamps that help me to carry my tripod wherever I go. And I have my GorillaPod on the other side. So yes, this is my camera bag. And yes, that's it for the video. What's in my camera bag 2020. I hope we upgrade all my gears by what's in my camera bag 2021. And yes, if you like this video, do smash that thumbs up button, and also let me know how the video was in your comment section. And if you want to see all my videos that I make, do click on the bell icon so that you get regular notifications. So yes, that's it for the day. We'll meet you in another video. Until then, it's Chikario signing off. Hey, I also have two more lenses. These are the two lenses which I use to drink coffee and tea. Do you have them? Let me know. Bye.